Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I'm going to be doing a simple baby boomer set. I already went ahead and prepped my clients' nails, applied my tips, shaped them, blend them and all that good stuff. And if you're interested in seeing how I do that, go ahead and click the link on your cards right now and it will take you directly to that video. So I'm just starting off with my second coat of primer and my thin layer of clear acrylic. You guys already know I love laying down my thin layer of clear acrylic. For me, it prevents a lot of lifting and it makes it easier when my client is ready to switch out her set for me to file it down. So I am going in with my white acrylic powder now and I'm placing it right before the joint from my client's natural nails to the tip. I'm going to blend that back into my client's natural nails and then I'm going to pull that white acrylic powder all the way to the free edge of the extension. Now the reason why I do it this way is to prevent any harsh lines between the white and my client's natural nail plate. So I know I do have a lot of baby boomer designs on my channel already, but I've been playing around with it until I found something that I was really comfortable with to bring you guys an actual step-by-step video on how I create them. Now I do use natural tips now. The reason is it helps to create a smoother transition for the baby boomer nails, and it also helps that white to be more opaque rather than when I use my clear tips. I just allow all the white to set, so I will do all the white on all 10 nails before coming back in with my nude acrylic powder. So I'm going to allow you guys to watch this and I'll meet you guys right back. Now that that white is set, I'm going in with a small bead of my pink nail bed mix. I'm going to place it right where that white fade has stopped and I'm going to blend that up into my white acrylic powder. Now I'm going in with my cuticle bead of that same pink and I'm going to make sure my cuticle areas and my side walls are nice and flush, and I'm going to take the remainder of liquid in my brush and I'm going to pull that pink as far up to the white as possible. Now the reason why I leave some liquid in my brush to do this is because it helps that pink to move smoothly and it gives me a nice smooth fade up into that white. And for those of you who are wondering, this pink nail bed mix is a mixture of the Young Nails Peach and the Young Nails Pink core acrylic powders. Now for me, I find when I mix them together, I get a better nail bed mix that goes with any color skin tone. So this is just my preference. And I'm just going to continue applying the pink acrylic powder to all the nails, and I'll meet you guys right back. So my final step in creating my baby boomer nails is to go ahead and encapsulate. So I'm going to place a clear bead of acrylic powder to my apex area. That is also where my pink has met my white, and I'm going to pull that bead all the way to the free edge of the nail. Now I'm going to strengthen my free edge as well, because I used my white acrylic powder, but I did use it very thin, and I don't want to file away from the white, so I am going to strengthen that area as well. After doing this, I waited for the acrylic to completely set. I did go ahead and file shape and buff off camera, and my client wanted some Swarovskis, so I went in with my gem gel and just laid my Swarovskis down, cured in my lights, applied my top coats and my cuticle oil, and that was it for this design, guys. I will have a short clip and some pictures at the end of the video to share with you. Now I want to hear back from you guys. Tell me in the comment section below, are these how-to videos very helpful, and if they are, what next would you like to see? Like, what other how-to videos are you guys interested in? And I'll definitely try my best to get those up for you guys. As always, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Like this video if it was helpful and informative, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you'll be the first to see when I post next. Remember, my upload schedule is every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. For those of you who did not know, I started scheduling my videos, and I really and truly hope you guys enjoy that. As Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done because I'm going to stay here and I'm going to talk all day. So I'm out. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.